thing is definitely a piece, but if I've learned anything about myself, I like them busted. So I'm out here with the AW11, and yeah, it didn't start last time. I tried to start it, and I think it's out of gas, but also the compression's really low. One of the things that our commenter said was it's possible that the distributor is damaged, which would cause the low compression if the seal is broken, and it also would cause the leak that we've noticed. So I know it's like dark or whatever, so I'm not really sure what we're gonna get done, but MR2 things. Pop the lamps up for the first time, and they got these dumb X's on them. Cute. Yeah, right. I feel like we'll be done with this job pretty soon, you know? It's not gonna take that long to... Okay, so I really don't know what I'm doing. What I want to do is just kind of take notes of the different things that are broken, and clean it up as well. But it's hard because, like, you don't want to... I want to focus on one thing at a time. Like, I know that it makes sense to just pull the engine and clean everything up. Like, it just makes sense to do that, to order new rings and all that. I just have never done it before, but you know, everybody on YouTube does it, so why can't I do it, right? There's the part of me that just wants to take it all apart. Like, I have this crazy amount of anxiety because we don't just take everything apart, but I just can't. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be at this location very long, and I'd like to have this thing running, and you know, like, we probably have time to like refresh the engine, but it would be awesome to not have to until we can get settled in our next spot. Okay. Well, we're crying about something. We got a little tear happening. Oh. Oh, we shorted out or something. As long as this isn't twisted, I think we can save. Like, it should be fine. That's the only real thing, is whether or not the chassis is kind of bent. All this other stuff is just little crap, like plastic pieces or whatever. I'm not exactly sure what I should do. We got so the battery's charging now. It looks like I'll have it in repair mode. So it looks like it's doing the repair thing, so we'll see what happens. Every time I click it over from accessory to start, it just, everything cuts off. So I'm not sure if that's a battery issue or if something's shorting, but we also need to finish the front brakes. We started them but didn't finish them, and I think the right side caliper might be frozen, so we need to figure that stuff out. This thing's a work. It's a real unit, you know, very established, and everything's together. There's not a whole lot of work that needs to be done on this one.